Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We found the GoPro HERO13 Black accessory bundle, which comes complete with a range of useful accessories, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The GoPro HERO13 Black is a high-performance action camera that takes everything you love about its predecessors and elevates it to a whole new level. This bundle includes the camera itself, the handler floating hand grip, 2 Enduro batteries, 2 curved adhesive mounts, a 64GB SanDisk microSD card, a mounting buckle with a thumb screw, a USB-C cable, and a convenient carrying case. It's a comprehensive package designed for anyone who wants to capture their adventures in stunning detail. One of the standout features of the HERO13 Black is its compatibility with HB series lenses with auto detection. This means you can easily switch between different lenses and filters for a variety of specialty shots. Whether you're looking for ultra-wide angles for action-packed scenes, macro shots for incredible close-ups, or even cinematic views with the anamorphic lens, this camera adjusts its settings automatically for you. This is a game-changer for both amateur and professional videographers who want to enhance their footage without fiddling with manual settings. In terms of video quality, the HERO13 Black shines with its best-in-class 5.3K video capability. This camera offers 91% more resolution than 4K and a staggering 665% more than 1080p, ensuring that every detail is captured in breathtaking clarity. Plus, with the GoPro Quick app, you can extract stunning 24.7MP photos from your videos, making it easy to share high-quality images from your adventures. Another exciting feature is the Burst Slow Mo mode, which allows you to record video clips at 13 times slower than normal speed. This feature lets you capture epic moments and details that would otherwise go unnoticed. You can also record short, super slow motion clips at 4 times speed while still maintaining the impressive 5.3K resolution. If you're wondering about durability, the HERO13 Black is built tough. It's rugged and waterproof, ready to withstand the elements and capture all of your escapades, whether you're splashing through water, trekking in the snow, or rolling through mud. With a waterproof depth rating of up to 33 feet, 10 meters, this camera won't let you down when you take it on underwater adventures. The water-repelling lens cover helps to keep your shots clear and free from lens flares, ensuring quality footage even in challenging conditions. So, who is the GoPro HERO13 Black suitable for? It's ideal for adventurers, extreme sports enthusiasts, bloggers, and anyone looking to document their life's adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're hiking, biking, surfing, or traveling, this camera is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. In practical use cases, imagine capturing your thrilling mountain bike ride from a first-person perspective, or recording your snorkeling trip to capture vibrant marine life in ultra-clear detail. You can even use it for everyday moments, like family gatherings or vacations, ensuring every memory is preserved with exceptional quality. Overall, the GoPro HERO13 Black accessory bundle is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about capturing high-quality video and images. With its robust features and included accessories, you're all set to take on any adventure that comes your way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.